It's your girl Mary, and welcome to my channel, Brown Queendom. Today I'm just refreshing my hair using some of my favorite products from EDEN Bodyworks, who, by the way, your girl is officially an ambassador for. I'm so excited. So anyways, let's jump right into this video. Alright, so I started out with some rose water. That's the only product that is not from EDEN Bodyworks. And then next I went in with the Papaya Castor Scalp Massaging Serum and massaged that in. Next I sprayed the Peppermint Tea Tree hair oil and I massaged that in. I really love the feeling both of these combined gave to my scalp. I can't even put into words, like the feeling was just amazing. Alright, so next, look at this edge control gel, sis. Oh my gosh, she's thick, perfect for thick hair, type 4 hair, 4C hair, 4B hair. Listen, I love it. I was not disappointed. There was no hard crunch, no flakes. It was actually soft, but there was still a firm hold. I loved it. So I'm gonna use this. You're gonna see me go back and forth between this little small soft brush. It's supposed to be an edge brush I just picked up from my local beauty supply store, and then this hard bristle brush. This one really got the job done for me, especially once the edge control was on. It really helped to really smooth everything together. Also, pay attention to the shine. I almost regretted not starting this on freshly washed hair, but listen, it just wasn't time for me yet, so don't worry, I will get y'all those results too, trust me. Okay, so back to the video. Here I'm just at this point trying to be very scarce with the product because I was scared that I used too much, but no, that wasn't the case at all. I actually genuinely just love how this edge control gel instantly starts to work as soon as I put it on. I ended up just going all the way around my head with the product because I wanted it to be a cohesive look. I didn't want to, do anything halfway. Also, make sure you stick around to the end of the video because I'll be sharing a code for you. I have a code and you'll be able to save 15% off, okay, of your own products, boo. Your own products. 15% off of an effective product, okay? Don't miss out. Stay to the end of the video. Make sure you get your code, or you can go down to the description box and you'll be able to click the link to visit the website EDENBodyworks.com and get your own products. They have a range of very healthy products for your hair, ranging from deep conditioners, shampoos, scalp cleansers. There's the Peppermint Tea Tree line, almond marshmallow, which is a hydration. There's coconut shea, which is one of my favorites. It is my favorite so far. There is the jojoba manoi. Listen, there's just so many options for you. Don't miss out. Make sure you stay to the end and get your code, okay? I do receive a commission as well, but at this point I feel like y'all be knowing that already. I'm excited though. This is my first affiliate code. If you follow my daughters, then you know I've done this before for them. This is my first time actually doing this for me. Like I said, I was gonna bet on myself this year, and I have been. I've been doing it, and I've been so proud of me. So let's get back into the video. All right, now I'm spraying water on because Like I've mentioned before, my shrinkage is crazy, so I really need my hair to be set in place before I apply any products that might activate that shrinkage. And now I put the water on there and I'm smoothing everything out. You can see that the edge control is starting to spread a bit. And then, baby, that's really it. I'm just smoothing everything together to make sure that everything looks nice. And I'm almost done. I'm really just going in between that brush and my hands to really make sure everything is smooth and laid down. And now we are going to go ahead and redo this ponytail. Well, actually bun. We're going to redo this bun. Because before this, I actually did have a bun. It was just like more of a textured bun. It was very loose and just kind of like my version of a messy bun, really. And this is also, it's new to me because this length is new to me. Being able to just effortlessly kind of put my hair up into a bun without having to slick it down. Listen, I live for it. That's been goals for me since the fan ponytails from when I was in middle school. So look at that. She's so beautiful. I love how it looks. Everything is so slick down and then boom, texture at the top. Poofy bun at the top. I love it. I actually really love how it looks. After this, I did apply just one of my little satin scarves I got from Walmart, child, and walked around for a little bit like that and took it off. And you're gonna see me come back with my scarf on my head. Around the bun though, not on my head. I'm gonna be done when I come back. So here comes your code too. So don't click off this video yet. Don't click off. Don't leave without getting your code. And if you absolutely have to go, hit that description box, get your code, click the link, use the code, get your 15% off, sis. Don't miss out. Thank you if you made it this far. Don't forget to share this video with your friends, like this video, comment down below and let me know what you think your favorite product would be. What is your problem area? Like, do you have a dry scalp? Do you have dry hair, split ends? Let's talk. Let's have a conversation. I am here for it. All right. Also, follow me on Instagram at Brown Queendom, on TikTok at Brown Queendom, everywhere Brown Queendom. Don't forget, okay? Can't wait to see y'all. I am very active on Instagram, so if you want more, head on over there.